How to recover deleted call history on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can restore all of the deleted call history log on Android. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So go ahead to the call log, and once you've opened up your call log, when you go ahead and delete one of, let's say I want to delete this one right here. So let me just delete it. When you delete the call history, in order to recover it, if you have a backup of your data, you can head over to the main settings of your device, either through your Google account or your dedicated backup app. For example, Google account. So you can go to Google Services and go to All Services. And here, look out for the option called Restore Contacts. Or you can go to Restore Data as well. So you can look out for that feature under the Google Services. If the backup exists, you can just go ahead and recover your data. But if you don't have a data backup, a data recovery software might be able to retrieve some of the deleted call logs, although the success rate is very lower. So that is it. So that is how we find out if we can recover call history on Android or not. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.